Your cat's hunched over making this weird hacking sound, and you're stuck wondering, is this a hairball or something worse? I've had cats my whole life, and here's what actually helps me tell the difference. Hairballs usually end with something coming up, either fur or foam. But if your cat's coughing repeatedly with nothing coming out, especially if they're wheezing or their breathing sounds off, that's respiratory. And asthma coughs often look like they're crouching low with their neck extended, almost like they're trying to force air out. If you're seeing this more than once or twice, don't wait. Get them to a vet.